I asked Carolina if there was anything she didn't feel comfortable sharing with the AI, but she says she felt comfortable putting it all in, and so did Felipe.
Asking a question about kind of breast cancer generally, it's going to give you a generic answer back about breast cancer. But uploading the surgical pathology report and being, here is our specific case that we are dealing with, now it's going to give us a much better response.
A lot of people are uncomfortable sharing personal information with an AI.
In the account that she has, we've turned off, improve the model for everyone, which just makes it, private to us. And so it's not something that OpenAI takes our data or her specific data and retrains on it.
He says the AI is not a replacement for your doctor, and it's still a good idea to get a second opinion. Those are sentiments shared by Dr. John White, the Chief Medical Officer of WebMD. He's also written a book called Take Control of Your Cancer Risk, and he speaks extensively about AI tools in healthcare.
Sometimes for a patient, I put, symptoms in ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. And I know many of my clinical colleagues have too, but I never put all the information in.
What should people consider when it comes to their personal details and what they're putting into an AI?
The first thing I want to say is that ChatGPT cannot replace a doctor.
He's more cautious when it comes to personal details.
Could data be hacked? That's a big concern. And you have all this information about you that's also associated with your health, which is highly personal. What you could do is when you enter information into ChatGPT, you could take out any identifying information about you, or you could just enter the information about your condition. A lot of people load reports in. I'd either remove that information from the report. It might take more time if you have a PDF document, but I might just type it all up again into the ChatGPT prompt just to be safe.
For many cancer patients, what's important is getting the information they need. Carolina and Felipe even asked the AI if it has any questions for them before it provides answers. And they expected it to take some time. Felipe says the AI may need some extra time to respond when analyzing and doing research. Another way Carolina and Felipe used ChatGPT was when they prepared to tell their 2 young sons. Follow along for part 6. I'll be sharing what they did, including to help their sons through a very difficult and scary conversation.